So out of 5 years that I've had this truck, the wheel bearing has finally went out on it. It's got a lot of slack. I really haven't even been this rough on this truck. So check the ball joints and everything with a pull handle, but this wheel bearing has got a lot of slack in it, so eventually it's going to end up leaving me stranded. The wheel will fall off, stuff like that, and cause way more damage. So while you got stuff jacked up and you're checking stuff, always take a pull handle and you watch for ball joints. While you're prying up on the tires, you're looking for slack or anything like that. Checking wheel bearings, you're grabbing the tire and going side to side motion to see if you got any slack anywhere. This isn't that big of a deal. All you gotta do is take your tire off, lay it aside, take the caliper off, axle nut, and 4 bolts on the back. Unplug ABS, and then pull it out and put it all back together. It's not that big of a deal. Make sure that you torque the brake caliper bolts, because I have had one come out going down the interstate at 2 in the morning and 8 hours from home. All the Dodge dealers were closed, and I ended up having to get one. I ended up finding no O'Reilly's that had one, but we thought we was going to go to Dodge dealer to find one. That wheel bearing so wore out, it done got really hot and was very difficult to get out because it got so hot it didn't see it. We was able to get it out, so we're gonna throw this one back together. Like I said, it's just 2 caliper bolts, 4 bolts on the back of the wheel bearing that holds it in, and a plug for the ABS. That's all it is, an axle nut. Axle nut is a 1 5/16. So remember that, because you will need a socket to get. We got our axle nut on, 4 hub bolts and 2 caliper bolts, and the wire in and plugged in. We can roll our tire back on, and we're